On the day I will die, let the sky open wide. Let your light fall on me like a merciful tide. If I stand on that ground where my breath fades away, let my soul rise in peace as I kneel down and pray. I have carried your name through the dark and the flame, through the silence of nights when I whispered your name. Not for glory I walk, nor the praise of this land, but to offer my life to you.